Finally, we are back with a new project tour of a new launch happening by Nivasa Group at Khese Park with the project name Ananya. Construction is already started. RERA is in place. Project का view बहुत ही ज़्यादा scenic है. Let's go inside the sales experience center. Let me give you the entire information. What the company has to offer in this project. What is the sample flat look like, and what are the pricing. Let's follow me. So this is the entire master layout of the project Ananya. Before we go into deeper understanding of the project, let me show you exactly मैं यहाँ पहुँचा कैसे हूँ, how and which roads is coming and bringing you to this right location. So there are three approach road which will bring you towards the project Ananya. First approach road is the road for the people who are staying in the locations Viman Nagar, Kalyani Nagar, Kharadi. They can come toward the side of airport, and behind the airport there is an airport Lohegaon road. From that road there is a road which takes you toward the side of Khese Park. So from that Khese Park road you will be coming toward this project. It is hardly a drive of 5 minutes from the airport. Second access route is for the people who are staying in the location Dhanuri, Vishrantwadi, Charoli, Lohegaon. They can come from the side of Dhanuri Lohegaon road. वहाँ से they have to take a right turn for Khese Park side. And उस लोकेशन से मैं ये साइड पे पहुंचा हूँ सिर्फ 5 मिनट में. So this is the place जहाँ पे अभी मेरे राइट में सेल्स ऑफिस है, मेरे लेफ्ट में साइड पे काम चालू है, और जिस रोड पे मैं खड़ा हूँ दिस इज अ सैंक्शन डीपी रोड इन द प्लान्स. ये रोड आपको 50 मीटर का है विच इज 50 फीट अप्रोक्सीमेटली, और इस सैंक्शन रोड आपको जाके इन द नियर फ्यूचर व्हेन द रोड इज कंप्लीटेड आपको लिंक करेगा बिहाइंड द एयरपोर्ट इन द एयरपोर्ट लोहेगांव रोड साइड. बट करेंटली वी हैव टू ओनली फोकस ऑन द टू एक्सेसिबल रोड जिसके थ्रू हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं. नाउ लेट्स गो एंड सी द मास्टर लेआउट. So this is the master layout. The total land parcel is 2.2 acres. In 2.2 acres, company is launching 6 towers. In the phase 1, company has opened only 3 towers for booking. The towers which is open for booking is B, C and D. In B, we have got 6 apartments per floor. In C and D, we have got 9 apartments per floor, 2 lifts, 2 staircases. The inventory type which is available right now over here for booking is 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. So project has a lot of amenities. It is roughly 25 plus amenities which the company is offering in the project. In the amenity section there are 2 levels. One is on the ground floor and the other is on the rooftop. On the ground floor there are amenities such as 2 level of the clubhouse, a temperature controlled swimming pool, a garden, open gym area, mandir and many landscape thing which is done to maintain the greenery in the project. On the rooftop level, there are pergola settings, jogging walking track, there is going to be a feature wall, viewing deck especially for the airport side. Seeing the plan, we have got for a 2 BHK type carpet area of 652, highest is 723. The price start from 63 lakhs, goes up till 70 lakhs. If you ask me, Tower C is a great tower to choose this type of inventory. Why? Because the entire view of one part of the tower apartment is toward the side of airport, and the other half is toward the side of the amenities. It's one of the most premium tower in the project. In the case of 2.5 BHK, we've got 2 variants, 834, 837 square feet. Pricing is approximately 80 lakhs. For a 3 BHK type, the area starts from 968, goes up till 996 square feet. The pricing over here roughly start from 94 lakhs. Being so close to the Viman Nagar location, and the pricing is still under 1 CR. It's a great deal to take and think about it. I know for what you're waiting now. You're waiting for the sample flat tour. Now let's go and see the sample flat. 3 BHK type of 996 square feet carpet area. Let's follow me. We have Yash over here from the Nivasa Group. Hi Yash, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Great. So Yash, I need your assistance. You have to help my audience to show the entire sample flat of your 3 BHK type with like specification what you're providing inside.
Right, sure.
Thank you so much.
Showcasing you the sample flat of Nivasa Ananya of 3 BHK, which is 996 square feet carpet. So let's go inside. So as you enter, this is the lobby. Lobby space is 5 into 5.8. Here we are providing you Kalpataru's laminated flush door with TL company's digital lock system, 3-way system of passport, hidden key feature and fingerprint. Here you will be having a dedicated space that will be of your shoe racks. As you enter here, this will be your spacious living area. The size of the living area will be 15 by 10. Let's move towards the balcony. This is the balcony that is attached to your living area. The size of the balcony is 10 by 5. Here we are providing you the toughened glass for premiumness with aluminium framing. The balcony is enclosed from either three sides, so you will be having a proper privacy here. So as you see, here we are providing you a full size door, 3-slider window with mosquito net with aluminum framing. This is Euro section. So your sound reduction will be up to 50% here. So here you will be having a dedicated dining area. The size of the dining area will be 711 into 9.5, where you can easily fit a 6-seater dining table. So let's move into the kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 10 by 8, where you will be getting a dedicated L-shaped platform with black granite and stainless steel sink. All the CP fittings in our house will be Jaguars. We are giving you dado tiles up to 2 feet and a dedicated space for your fridge area. So here we have a dedicated dry balcony. The size of the dry balcony will be 3.8 into 8. Move into the common bedroom. So here we have a common bedroom. The size of the bedroom will be 9 by 11. On your left we have a common washroom. The size of the common washroom will be 7 into 4.6 with dedicated CP and sanitary fittings of Jaguar brand. So here we have a dedicated sink. The sink will be of Jaguar as well. And on your right now we have the guest bedroom. Let's come inside. So the size of this guest bedroom will be 10.6 into 11 with attached washroom. Now let's hop into the master bedroom. Here the size of the master bedroom is 11 by 12 with attached master washroom. The size of the master washroom will be 8.7 into 4.6 with all the CP and sanitary fittings of Jaguar and solar water provision. So here you have a dedicated balcony that is attached to your master bedroom. So let's hop in the balcony. The size of this balcony is 7 into 5, which is again enclosed from 3 of the side. So again your privacy is maintained here.
Thank you for joining me for the tour of Nivasa Ananya. Hopefully you must have liked the project, the entire sample flat. People who are looking to buy an apartment which is close to their workspaces, which is in the location Viman Nagar, Kalyani Nagar or Yerwada, I think they should really come and visit this project once, because it is rightly priced, it is at the right location, and it's going to be hardly a drive of 15 minutes from your current workplace. So if you have any query for the Nivasa Ananya project, do comment below or call us on the number given above. Thank you for watching the entire tour. Thank you so much.